In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bitstamp on Tradingview. We'll walk through this step by step so you can place trades on your Bitstamp account directly from your Tradingview charts. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your Tradingview account and that you have an active Bitstamp account ready to connect. First, open up a Tradingview chart. This can be any market or symbol. The important thing is that you're in the main chart interface, not just browsing ideas or watch lists. If you're on the home page, simply click on Chart in the top navigation bar and Tradingview will load your default chart layout. Once your chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. It's usually in a tab near the bottom alongside options like Pine Editor, Strategy Tester or Object Tree. Click on Trading Panel to open it. This panel is where Tradingview shows all the supported brokers and exchanges you can connect to. When the trading panel opens, you'll see a list of popular brokers and trading services. Sometimes not all of them are visible right away. To reveal the full list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This expands the panel and makes sure every available connection is visible, including Bitstamp if it's supported in your region and on your account type. Now that the complete list is showing, scroll through and look for Bitstamp. The services are usually displayed with their official names and logos, so take a moment to scan carefully. If there's a search box available in your trading panel layout, you can type Bitstamp to find it even faster. Once you've located Bitstamp in the list, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a new window or pop-up asking you to connect your Bitstamp account. Here, you'll typically be prompted to log in to Bitstamp or authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure you're connecting to the official Bitstamp integration provided within Tradingview. After you've confirmed and authorized, Tradingview should show Bitstamp as connected in the trading panel. At this point, you'll be able to place orders, view your balances, and manage positions directly from your Tradingview chart, all routed through your Bitstamp account. That's all you need to do to connect Bitstamp on Tradingview. Take a moment to double check that the connection is active and you're ready to start trading from your charts.